Alright, today we cook mussels. Still quick and easy, delicious cooking. So first we start chopping some garlics. Save half a garlic for mussels, and the rest we're gonna add some green onion for just making some garlic butter. Add some pepper and salt and mix it well. Spread some garlic butter on the bread and toast them. Now let's cook the mussels. We need some chili peppers here. Remove the seeds if you don't want to eat too spicy. Let's cook. Add some olive oil. Add mussels in. Don't ask me, are they still alive or are they dead already? We only need half a can of beer because we don't want to make it too watery. When the mussel shells are open, that means it's done. Don't overcook it, just move the mussels to the small pot. Leave the soup keep cooking. We're gonna make sauce here. We add butter, pepper and salt, parsley, and half a lemon juice. Taste the flavor before you pour it on the mussels. And it's time to enjoy. Leave a comment below what you want me to cook, and I see you next time.